Hey guys, it's Saritra here at your service, and today in this video we are gonna talk about some of the breathtaking questions all of you have doubts about. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So question number 1. What is emotion? Stay calm and listen very carefully. Stick with this video till the end as something big is waiting for you. Really something big. If we think deeply, we can split this word emotion into two single words, and those are action and motion. In the word action, in one word especially, action which are taken in motion are called emotion. I repeat, action which are taken in motion are called emotion. That is the biggest thing you have to understand. Just think about the action that you have taken in motion. Are they not taken emotionally? Just think about it. You have achieved something bigger and you are now emotional, right? Will you take a couple of days to spread this news to your family and friends? Of course the answer is no. Even while we are talking with our most lovable person, our speed of talking just increase in the same way. I know you got it all. Now the next question number 2. What is the difference between love and like? Very tough one, right? Nope, it's not. If we call love the father, then like is just its own. Just imagine you saw a branch full of flowers and you liked them. You would simply take them from the branch and take them in your pocket. Now this comes to a few days matter. But if you love them, you would take care of them. You would never split them alike. Here is the basic difference. You like somebody and you love somebody. Now compare this matter with the previous flower topic. You got it, right? This is all for today. I hope you guys are satisfied by this video, and if you are, then do not forget to hit the like button, comment if you have any additional questions about this, and spread this knowledge as much as possible. Subscribe now and press the bell icon and you will never miss another update. Bye bye.